Hi friends, today I got stuck in a peculiar situation. A small boy came for a consultation. While we were talking to the parents, he mistakenly brought this dental chair down. So when he brought the dental chair down, it started pressing on the key on the foot control. So the foot control was jammed. So this kind of upper portion is also not working and lower is also not working. So the whole component was stuck inside and the chair was not moving up or down because the whole weight of the chair was on this foot control. So we were trying to remove this, we were not able to remove. So we took a car jacky, the car jacky we have in our car. So I have a Santro. So just took the car jacky outside, put it here, engaged it here, and did some movements. Once we started moving the jacky, the whole thing started coming up. The chair was going slightly up, so we immediately pulled the thing out. Once we pulled it out, then again the thing started working, and you can see. So the moral of the story is we should have a car jacky also in our dental clinic. So though it sounds funny, the situation is like that you need to quickly react, otherwise this will get stuck. The other thing is this should not be kept below it. Generally we keep it outside. The problem is we have lack of space over this place. So generally people trip on this and they stumble. So either we should keep it there. During the work we have to pull it out. So now since it was kept here, the chair was lowered by the baby. That boy child, he pulled it down. So this became a big trouble today. So I just thought to share this video so that it will help you in your situation when you get stuck. So thank you friends, thank you. Hope all of you are safe. God bless all of you.